So this is the new Midwest Industries MP5 SD Handguard that just came out, and I just got it installed and I am really liking this thing. The nicest part for me is that it adds this extra length up at the front so that you have a little bit more room to headlights and accessories, lasers, whatever you need to put on, because the biggest problem with the MP5 is trying to get everything that you need to put on it accessorized and fitting on the standard handguards. So by extending this out, it covers the suppressor a little bit, so this is probably going to get pretty hot, but if you're wearing gloves it shouldn't be a problem. But it makes that grip when you bring it up a lot nicer as well. So I just thought I'd make a quick video about this because I hadn't really seen anybody talk about them yet, and I just got this in the mail this morning. So on the other side, it is cut out for the charging handle, obviously, and then these cuts here is what allows you to get the handguard in place in the first place. So there's a retaining collar here and then a collar in the back that locks into that front stub area. So you slide it over the barrel and then the sights go through there, and then you have to kind of finagle this piece until you can get these 4 bolts screwed in. And then once that's in, I mean, this thing is rock solid. So awesome design.